We have visualized attribution reports. When you've successfully ran an attribution report, you can find the visualized version by clicking on Dashboard. There will be 3 visuals. The first page will give you an overview. You can see impressions, uniques, clicks, click-through rate, visits, and visitors. We will also visualize the top 100 cities from where people saw the ad that also visited. Then you'll see all the locations that you are measuring against. This is dynamic, and you can click through the pages of the results. You can find the visit and impression date range that was utilized, and click here for the second page. This will show you impressions and uniques by week. You can also see clicks and click-through rate by week, and visits and visitors by week. You can download any of these charts as a PNG if you wish. Then you can click on the final page here. This will give you metrics by creative size or creative name. This is dynamic, and as you click on different sizes or names, it will populate the results at the bottom of the page. These reports can all be shared with a shareable link.